Hi! In front of me is CAT S75 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options available on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Then scroll all the way down to Access System. Now click on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Keyboard. Lastly, tap on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are available over here. If you want to manage them, just click on the switches next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!